Oh, okay, so this video I'm just going to cover how to get into the gallery and update the images. So you log into your dashboard, the URL, the password, and username are all in the email that I'm sending along with the video link. So once you're logged in, you'll see a screen like this, and then go on the left-hand side, go all the way down to the photo gallery WP, and then click on galleries. And that's going to show you all the galleries that have been set up. The only one we're using on the website right now is a main gallery, so you can go and select that, and then that's going to open up all the images that are currently showing on the gallery right now. So I'm just going to pull over this website here, and you can see here this is a gallery. It's showing all the photos that are currently listed right here. Just one note, try not to mess with any of these other buttons over here. At this point, we may go over those later, but anyway, so once you're here and you're in the galleries, you can see the photos. If you hover it over the photo, you can see the larger image of it. If you go over here to the right, you'll see the 4 arrows, and that's going to allow you to drag and drop the images around if you want to rearrange them. And then, of course, you see here, this is a description. If I go back over to the gallery, once I click on this, you'll see that's where the description pulls up. And you'll see that below each one of the images. Let me go a little bit further. I just put concrete work in them so you can see here change up to deck for pool. I'm going to go back over to the image gallery. Just a couple other quick things to cover here. If you want to remove an image, just go ahead and click this button. And that's going to delete it from the gallery. If you wanted to add an image, right here, select add an image. It'll pull up this window. It's going to give you 2 options, either upload files or select from the media library. The media library are going to be images that we've already uploaded. So normally you're going to use this upload files tab. Hit select files. That's going to pull up your hard drive. I saved everything in a folder under Big Rock, Images, Gallery. So if I want to add a new photo, I just select a photo. Go ahead and hit open. You'll see over here it's still uploading the photo. Once it's done, it'll show you a copy of the image, a little bit of information about it. That's a note I'll leave in the email as well, but really probably don't want to go over 1 megabyte here, especially if you're going to want to use this amount of images. You can see here some of the images I tried to upload that were larger than 1 megabyte sometimes fail. So anyway, going back to this one, we already have it in the gallery, but just for demo purposes, if I want to add this, you do have to hit edit image. It's going to pull it up. For some reason I wanted to rotate the image. I don't want to, but if I want to rotate, you can rotate the image with this button. Go back into edit here. And this is just going to flip the image back and forth. And this does the rotation. You can scale the image here if you want to resize it. You can stretch it out here. You can also do the aspect ratio as well. And here's some different sizing options, but I would just mostly do the scaling in here, or do the scaling before you actually upload the image. Okay, so that's uploading, and then once you select it, I'll go ahead and insert it into post. And you can see the new images here. Title, patio, deck. Okay. Save gallery. If I go back over here to this page and reload it, you see the image here. That pulls up the Lightbox gallery, and you can flip through the images. I go back, you can see the description that we added here. Since I already have this in here twice, I'll show you, go ahead and remove an image. Always hit save gallery when you're done doing the changes. Go back over, reload the gallery page, make sure your changes are done. You can see the image is removed. And one last thing I'll cover, it's the same as adding images, but if for some reason you want to add, say, multiple images at one time, go ahead and select 4 images here. Insert into post just like you would one image. You'll see it inserted all 4 into the post here. So this way you can just edit multiple images at one time. I'm going to go ahead and just back out of here so I don't save this. Okay, so I think it covers it. This is how to get into the gallery. Go to the main gallery. This is where the images are. You can do the preview, you can do some editing in here. Like I said, I would edit the images, probably use dimensions of about 1200 pixels wide, 1000 pixels high, something like that. But anyway, try to keep the file sizes under 1 megabyte. And you can add your titles in here. And then once you're done adding the images, possibly doing some rearranging, update the titles. Sometimes the images might be flipped around on the phone or when they're uploaded, so you might have to rotate the images. But anyway, once you're done doing all the editing, go ahead and remove these. Okay, alright. Go ahead and save the gallery. And I'll always go back and check the gallery page. Make sure everything is still working on there. Alright, and you can see these are all the images we uploaded earlier today. And here's one that needs flip, so you could go in the editor and flip that one over so it's showing the right way. Okay, alright, let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to upload this to YouTube and I'll make it available to everybody at Big Rock. Alright, thanks, and let me know if you have any questions.